Welcome to the future of manufacturing. In today's rapid evolving market, companies are embracing a revolutionary approach, that is Agile Manufacturing. Let us see what is Agile Manufacturing and what are the key principles of Agile Manufacturing. At its core, Agile Manufacturing is about flexibility, adaptability, and responsiveness to customer needs. Let's explore how this approach is transforming the way the products are made. Modular design. Imagine a smartphone designed for constant evolution. Agile Manufacturing promotes modular designs, allowing components like camera and processor to be easily upgraded. This means your device can keep up with the latest technology without the need for complete overhaul. Cross-functional teams. But it's not just about the product, it's about people. Cross-functional team comprising experts in design, manufacturing, marketing, and customer support work seamlessly together. This collaboration ensures that your product isn't just a device, it's an experience. Real-time data and analytics. How do they do it? Real-time data and analytics are the backbone of Agile Manufacturing. Sensors and IoT devices provide live feedback on production efficiency. This data-driven decision-making ensures that manufacturing process is always optimized for peak performance. Short iterations and quick turnarounds. Agile Manufacturing embraces short iterations and quick turnaround. This means new products like smartphone models hit the market more frequently. The company can swiftly respond to emerging technologies, market trends, and even your feedback. Demand-driven production. Gone are the days of mass production based on forecasters. Agile Manufacturing is a demand-driven. Using advanced forecasting tool, production is adjusted and dynamically based on the actual need. This reduces excess inventory and ensures that the right products are available when you want them. Innovation and experimentation. But what about innovation? Agile Manufacturing thrives on experimentation. Teams are encouraged to explore new materials, features, and technologies. This commitment to innovation means your smartphone is always at the forefront of technology. Customer collaboration. Your voice matters. Agile Manufacturing fosters direct customer collaboration. Beta testing programs allows you to experience new features before they hit the market. This ensures that your smartphone isn't just a cutting edge but tailored to your expectation. Digital technologies. It's not just about building better products, it's about building them smarter. Agile Manufacturing leverages digital technologies like AI-driven quality control and predictive maintenance. This ensures that the manufacturing process is not just agile but also efficient and optimized. Sustainability. And what about the environment? Agile Manufacturing is committed to sustainability, from using a recycled material to optimizing energy consumption. Your product is not only advanced but also eco-friendly. In conclusion, Agile Manufacturing is not just about a process, it's a philosophy. It's about creating products that adapt to your needs and respond to the market and respect the world we live in. Welcome to the futures of manufacturing. Welcome to Agile Manufacturing. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel and don't forget to turn on bell icon. If you want to learn more such amazing content in the field of designing and manufacturing, you can call us or WhatsApp us on this number. We provide industrial-based approach to learn new technologies and innovation in the field of manufacturing, which can hunt down your job quickly.